Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to boost sales by offering free shipping on all orders on your online store. I will also show you how to announce this offer on all the pages of your website. As you see here on the home page, on the store, even on the product page. As you see, free shipping on every order, no minimum required. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to Websites. Now, next to your online store, click on Manage Store. This way, you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, how to boost sales by offering free shipping site-wide on your online store? Go to Settings and click on Shipping. Here, before showing you how to set up free shipping for your site-wide on your online store, let me explain you how shipping systems work on Hostinger website builder. First, you are not going to create a free shipping option before creating first a shipping zone, because let's say let's to not overwhelm you. First, you need to create a shipping zone where you offer a free shipping option. By default, Hostinger creates you this shipping zone using your store location. In my case, it is Morocco. So I can't delete this shipping zone right now because I need to have at least 2 shipping zones in order to delete this default one. So let's create a new shipping zone that we will call, for example, worldwide. By the way, this shipping zone name is only displayed to you. And here in the countries, click on Add Country and select all to add every available country, because this shipping zone, it is called worldwide. If you are offering free shipping just for the US, so you need to create a shipping zone with the name US. And here, let's first deselect. And here in the countries, click on Add Country and look for the United States. This is it. So this is, and even inside US, you can select you can select which states you are offering shipping to. Now let's go with let's create a US. Let's offer free shipping only for the US. Now click on Save. Now that my USA shipping zone is created, same thing. By default, Hostinger creates this shipping option with the name regular, which offer free shipping. So I will click on Add Option next to Shipping Options. And here I will call it free shipping. And for the rate, I will keep it empty to have free here. Now, same thing, I will not add any condition either by price or by weight. I will keep it name free shipping for $0. Click on Add. Now I will delete this default shipping option. Same thing, I will return to the shipping page to delete this Morocco shipping zone. And this way I am offering free shipping for any order coming from the USA. Now let's test this live on the website. Go to the store. Let's add this classic cap, add to the bag. Let's delete this one, it was in the bag. Now for this classic cap, let's see the checkout. First, let's select US. It is the single shipping zone, so it is selected by default. And let's select a state. And as you see, now the shipping cost is free, and the shipping method is called free shipping. And next you will see free. Now, how to boost sales by using this free shipping option? Let's announce this in my by adding an announcement bar on the top of every page of my website. How to do this? Let's go back to the website builder. So here Just hover over the header of your website and you will see add sticky bar. Click on it. You will see this default text, add your promotional text. So for this, I will use the help of ChatGPT. I will ask it, give me copies for my announcement bar to boost sales with free shipping offer site wide. Okay, today only, shop now, get it delivered free, site wide shipping on all, don't wait, free shipping site wide, and so on. Okay, let's on every minimum required. Okay, let's use this one, delete this one and paste this one just like this. I will make this text simple and underline it, or let's keep it all bold. Now, since the header is use the white background and also this announcement bar, I will select it from this corner, click on edit section, and I will pick a color. So I will use this yellow. Okay, close this window. And now update my website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And this is how the announcement bar looks like on every page of your website. Let's check the store, also the product page. As you see, there is a slight text effect that you can edit. Just go back here, select this section, edit section. I think from the layout, or not from the layout. Yes, select the text, click on these three dots, and here in the animation, select no animation, fade, scale. This is the scale, this is the fade, text effect, and this is no animation, this is the slide. I think I will go with the fade, update website. Same thing. Now let's view the website, and this is the new text effect. Let's check the product page, same thing, add to bag, but on the checkout, I don't think, yes. On the checkout, this is good to not have this announcement bar on the checkout, to keep the conversion higher. So when you select a state, the shipping shows free, which will boost conversion on your online store. And this is how to boost sales by offering free shipping in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.